Which of the following is not a fundamental right? It is a right to property. It is not a fundamental right. B option is correct. Under the Constitution, the power to issue a writ of habeas corpus is vested in. It is vested in both Supreme Court and High Court. C option is correct. Which of the following is a bulwark of personal freedom? It is a habeas corpus. B option is correct. The writs of enforcement of fundamental rights are issued by, it is issued by the Supreme Court. C option is correct. Evaluate the following statements. The legal interpretation of equality is silently influenced by equality before law and equal protection of law. Equality before law means rule of law. Which one is correct? So the second is correct, but the first is incorrect. Second is correct and first also is correct. C option is correct here. Next question. By which of the following modes can citizenship be acquired? It can be acquired by birth, by hereditary and by registration. B option is correct here. Next question. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that fundamental rights are unamendable? It is the Keshwanand Bharti case. B option is correct. Directive principles in our constitution are non-enforceable in the courts of law. Which of the following expressions does not figure in the preamble of Indian Constitution? The expression is federal. D option is correct. The chapter on fundamental duties includes duty to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired out freedom movement. Option is correct. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the directive principles of the state policy? The part is fourth. C option is correct. How many types of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court? There are 5 types of writs that can be issued by the Supreme Court. You will have to name all these 5 writs in the comment section below. Next question. The preamble of our constitution reads India as sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. D option is correct. Who is the guardian of fundamental rights enumerated in Indian Constitution? Guardian is Supreme Court. A option is correct. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? The part is part 3rd. C option is correct. How many fundamental duties are in the Indian Constitution? There are 11 fundamental duties. Fundamental rights are not given to alliance. B option is correct. Consent of people means consent of majority of the people. The directive principles of state policy was adopted from the Irish Constitution. Which one of the following is the guardian of fundamental rights? So it is judiciary that is the guardian of fundamental rights. The idea of directives of principles of state policy was borrowed by the farmers of Indian Constitution from the Constitution of the Republic of Ireland. Which one of the following articles of Constitution deals with the fundamental duties? The article is Article 51A. B option is correct. The preamble to our Constitution makes no mention of adult franchise. D option is correct. Fundamental duties were added to the Constitution by 42nd Amendment. A secular state is one which has no religion of its own. A option is correct. The fundamental rights granted to the Indian citizens can be suspended. B option is correct. A writ issued by the High Court or the Supreme Court to protect the fundamental rights of the citizen is known as quo warranto. B it known as habeas corpus. D option is correct. Next question. The main purpose of including the directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution is to establish a welfare state. A option is correct. Which one of the following fundamental rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? So it is the right to constitutional remedies. No person shall be a citizen of India if he has voluntarily acquired citizenship of another country. C option is correct. Which one of the following is a fundamental right guaranteed by the Constitution of India? It is the right to equality. Right to free education within certain limits is guaranteed as a fundamental right. A option is correct. No person can be employed in factories or mines unless he is above the age of 14 years. B option is correct. The writ of habeas corpus is issued in the event of wrongful police detention. C option is correct. Political equality is founded? It is found in universal and adult suffrage. B option is correct. List of fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution as part of 4. A option is correct. Under which one of the following writs an official can be prevented from taking an action which he is officially not entitled? It is mandamus. A option is correct. In the Constitution of India, the fundamental rights formed a part of the original constitution. A option is correct. Which one of the following writs is issued to courts, corporations, government servants or person directing them to perform their public duty? It is the mandamus. C option is correct. In India, the right to property is now recognized as a legal right. B option is correct. The right to vote is a political right. Right to vote is a political right. A option is correct. Which fundamental right, according to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, is like the heart of the Constitution? It is right of constitution remedies. A option is correct. What is the status of the right to property now? The status is legal right. A option is correct. Which one of the following writs literally means that what is your authority? The act is quo, the writ is quo warranto. C option is correct. What is the chief source of political power in India? The chief source of political power in India is the people of India. A court enforces enjoyment of a fundamental right by issuing a writ. C option is correct. Political right does not include which of the following? It does not include right of life. B option is correct. What is the minimum age prescribed in the India for its citizen to cast their vote? The minimum age is 18 years. Which of the following rights is not granted by the Constitution of India at present as a fundamental right? It is a right to property. C option is correct. When were the fundamental duties of the Indian citizens incorporated in the Constitution? It was the year 1976. Which is the competent body to prescribe conditions of acquisition of citizen? So it is Parliament. C option is correct. The Constitution of India assures economic justice to the citizens through preamble. C option is correct. The right to public office is a civil right. A option is correct. Not to destroy the government property is a civil duty. C option is correct. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? It was proposed by Jawaharlal Nehru. Dual citizenship is a feature of federal government. B option is correct. The essential feature of democracy is giving prominence to the citizen. C option is correct. Which of the following writs can lie only against a person holding a public office? Mandamus. B option is correct. In India is a secular state because in our country state has no religion. A option is correct. Which case is related to fundamental rights? The case is Golaknath versus State of Punjab case 1967. A option is correct. Directive principle of state policy in the Indian Constitution were taken from Constitution of Ireland. B option is correct. As per Indian Constitution, the right to property is a legal right. C option is correct. The success of democracy depends upon the right to personal liberty. C option is correct. Which one of the following ceased to be a fundamental right under the Constitution in right to property? C option is correct. Directive principle of state policy in the Indian Constitution were taken from Constitution of Ireland. B option is correct. As per Indian Constitution, the right to property is a legal right. The success of democracy depends upon the right to personal liberty. Citizen of India can vote at the age of 18 years. According to preamble, the ultimate power lies in the hands of people. The option is correct. Dual citizenship is an important feature in which form of government? In the form of federal government. B option is correct. Writs are issued by Supreme Court and High Court both. The option is correct. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Indian Constitution on the recommendation of Swarn Singh Committee. B option is correct. Which of the following is a political right? It is right to vote. Who can impose reasonable restrictions over the fundamental rights? It is Parliament. B option is correct. Provisions of citizenship in Indian Constitution became applicable in the year of 1950. In which part of the Indian Constitution the fundamental duties are enshrined? So it is the part 4th A. A option is correct. Which of the following is not a fundamental right as per the Indian Constitution? Right to education, right to information, right to speech, right to life is not a fundamental right. Next question. What is meant by social justice? What is meant by social justice? All kinds of discrimination based on the caste, creed, color and sex should be eliminated. C option is correct. Days are essential for liberties. So it is rights that are essential for liberties. B option is correct.